Hi children, good morning everyone. Today is Monday and it is the first day of the week and also it's time for our English class. I hope you must have liked my last video. I tried my level best to make it interesting for you. I also hope that you must have completed the given exercise in the English notebook. So, shall we start with our lesson? Today, our topic is about garden. First, I will tell you something about the garden with the help of the pictures. See down, there are two pictures. Means the garden are of two types. The first garden is also called a park. In this garden or park, children go to play once in a week. There are swings, seesaw, slide, etc. This garden is very big with many trees. The second garden is a small garden around our house. It may be in front of the house or it may be at the back of the house. This is also called a backyard garden or a front yard garden. Today we will talk about the second type of garden. In this garden, according to the space, we plant one or two big trees like mango, custard, boar, etc. We may also grow flowering plants like rose, mogra, lily, etc. to get sweet and good fragrance. It is our duty to keep the garden clean. Now the question is how to clean and what to do. The first thing, water the plant every day. Second point, the leaves which are yellow in color or you can say dried leaves, collect them with the help of sturdy broom and throw them away. Third point, remove the unwanted plants. Fourth, cut the plants at a regular time. And the last point is give manure from time to time. I think everyone has understood this much. Now we will start with our lesson, that is lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is Go and Come. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Cottage means a small simple house. We usually see cottage in a rural area. There is a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. Manure means material mixed with the soil to help plants grow. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Prune means removed dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Weeding means removing unwanted plants. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. Uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. "Little boy," said the uncle, "you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed like a good boy." But the little boy did not like weeding that day. I can't do it, he said. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty. Go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. The uncle himself was a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. He began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Welled up means filled with tears or waters. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. Oh, said his mother, what fun that will be. I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed? Yes, said the boy. Come. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. Chatting means talking. So children, now our lesson, our explanation is over. Now we are coming to our writing part. That is dictation words. Now all the writing part you have to do in the notebook. Means you have to take your notebook, English notebook. Again take a new page. Write today's date. On top write lesson number 2. Go and come. And in the first line you write dictation words. I am going to give you 10 dictation words. I will read. You also read after me. You have to repeat after me sitting at home. See, number 1 is uncle. UNCLE, uncle. Number 2, weeding. WEEDING, weeding. Number 3, cleaning. CLEANING, cleaning. Number 4, manure. MANURE, manure. Number 5, pruned. PRUNED, pruned. Number 6, discipline. DISCIPLINE, discipline. Number 7, garden. GARDEN, garden. Number 8, ugly. UGLY, ugly. Number 9, simple. SIMPLE, simple. Number 10, unwanted. UNWANTED, unwanted. So these are your dictation words you have to learn. Now again take a new page, means turn the page and go to the new page for your meanings. Take a new page. Chalo, shall we start? On top you write question number 1, meanings. See, the first meaning is cottage. Cottage means a small simple house. Only this much you have to write. A small simple house. Leave one line and write number 2. Manure. Manure means material mixed with the soil to help plants grow. Leave one line, write number 3. Number 3 is pruned. Prune means remove dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. Leave one line, write number 4. That is weeding. Weeding means removing troublesome, unwanted plants from a field or a garden. Leave one line, write number 5. That is sadly. Sadly means badly, very much used with the words like needed or wanted. Leave one line and write number 6. Welled up. Welled up means filled with tear or water. So, your dictation part is over, meaning is also over. Now again take a new page. On the new page you have to write opposite words. Ready? Chalo. I will read opposite words for you. The first one is little and the answer is big. Second one, pretty. Answer is ugly. Third one, different. Answer is same. Fourth one, few, and the answer is many. These are for your opposite words. Okay. Now your question answer part. New page, take and write answer the following question. Means answer in one sentence. You have to write the answer in one sentence. I am reading question and answer both. See number 1. Who had come to stay with the little boy and his family? Answer is the little boy's uncle had come to stay with his family. When you finish question and answer, both, leave one line, write question number 2. What did the uncle believe in? This is your second question. What did the uncle believe in? And the answer is the uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Leave one line and write question number 3. Was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? This is our third question. Was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? And the answer is no. It was not wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. Write the next question. That is number 4. And the question is, was the boy naughty? Answer is no, the boy was not naughty. Next question I am reading. Find and write the lines that tell us how the boy's family took care of the garden. This is our question. Now see the answer. The following lines tell us how the boy's family took care of the garden. Plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Everybody in the boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Now children, When you finish writing all the exercise, that is dictation words, question answers, meanings, opposite words. After finishing this much, again take a new page and then on top you write homework. HW homework. This is your homework. And there you have to stick photo of your grandfather. Photo of your grandfather. It may be your Nana or your Dada. Anyone you have to stick. Okay. Down you have to write 5 lines about your grandfather. This is your homework. Just like a composition. Stick the photo of your grandfather on top. Down you have to write 5 lines about your grandfather. You have to write name of your grandfather. Write his age. You spend time with your grandfather. Yes. How do you spend your time with your grandfather? Okay. Like this you have to write 5 lines about your grandfather. What your grandfather likes. You go to the market, you go to the garden with your grandfather. Grandfather must be telling you some stories, jokes. He must be playing with you, indoor games. Any 5 lines. Combine the points which I have given you, clue, what to write. This you have to write in the book. This is your homework. Is that clear? The lesson is over.